Hi children, today I am going to do a portion from class 12, application of derivatives chapter. It is increasing and decreasing function. What is increasing and decreasing function? Consider a function y is equal to f of x. So when you take a function, it will be having the corresponding graph will be having. So I am drawing the corresponding graph of y is equal to f of x. It goes like this. So when you increase the value of x like this, the corresponding y value is also increasing. After reaching a particular value, that is a maximum value, even though you are increasing the value of x, the y value starts decreasing. See here. Then it keeps decreasing now when you are increasing the value of x. It reaches the minimum value. Then again it changes its direction. The y value changes its direction. Am I clear? So at whichever points the direction of y changes are these points. These points are called turning points. So while the value of x is being increased, the y value is also increasing. After reaching a maximum value, the value of y starts decreasing even though you increase the value of x. So such points are called turning points. Turning points are the points at which the corresponding y value or the direction of y changes. Am I clear? So now, if you see these turning points, at the turning points, if you draw a tangent, you can see some similarity. What is that uniformity? What is that similarity? You could see that. All the tangents are parallel to the x-axis. See? All these tangents are parallel to x-axis. So if you take a line which is parallel to x-axis, what is the slope of it? So slope will be equal to 0. How? So we have learned a formula f is equal to tan theta in class 11. What is this theta? Theta is the angle of inclination of the straight line with the x-axis. So in this case, here theta is 0. Therefore f is equal to tan theta, tan 0, that is equal to 0. What is this slope? Slope is nothing but dy by dx. Derivative. That's what we learned before. That means at the turning point, dy by dx value is what? It is 0. So to find the turning point, we find the derivative of the given function y is equal to f of x. We equate to 0. Whatever values of x you are getting, that will be giving you turning points. Are you clear? So now for example, if I take this as one of the turning points x0, this is another turning point x1, this is another turning point x2, that is the interval minus infinity to plus infinity is divided by these turning points x0, x1 and x2. So minus infinity to x0, x0 to x1, x1 to x2 and x2 to infinity. So now you see that from the interval minus infinity to x0, the function is increasing. From x0 to x1, the function is decreasing. From x1 to x2, it is increasing, and then from x2 to infinity, it may be decreasing. So in a particular interval, this function y is equal to f of x is increasing, and another interval it is decreasing. So how you are going to identify the intervals in which the function is increasing or decreasing? That's what the concept we are going to learn in this chapter. So what is the condition for a function to be increasing? For a function to be increasing, the condition is f dash of x should be greater than 0 in that interval. When you take the interval from minus infinity to x0, at a particular point in this interval, if the function is increasing, then in the entire interval the function is increasing now. The reason is, in a particular interval, at a particular value, if the function is increasing, in the entire interval, the function is increasing only. At a particular point it is increasing in that particular interval, and at another point it will be decreasing. It cannot be like that. In a particular interval, if it is increasing, it will be either increasing, or if it is decreasing, it will be always decreasing one. Okay? So to have the increasing function or increasing function, the condition is f dash of x should be greater than 0 for increasing function, f dash of x is less than 0 for the function to be decreasing. So this is what the basic concept for the concept called increasing and decreasing. I'll take one example how we are identifying the intervals in which the function is increasing or decreasing. I'll take the question. So consider a function f of x is equal to x raised to 4 minus 8x cubed plus 22x square minus 24x plus 21. My question is, identify the intervals in which the function is increasing or decreasing. So this is a graph. This is the function y is equal to f of x is given. So when you draw the corresponding graph, you will be having different intervals in which the function is increasing or it is decreasing. Am I correct? So we are going to find out the function, in which are the intervals the function is increasing and in which are the intervals the function is decreasing that. So for that I have to find out the different intervals which can be obtained by using the turning points. So we have to find out the turning points first of all. For that what we have to do, first we find out f dash of x. What is f dash of x? X raised to 4, differentiate it. So we will be getting 4x cubed minus 8 into differentiation of x cube is 3x square plus 22 into differentiation of x square is 2x minus 24 into differentiation of x is 1 plus differentiation of a constant is 0. That is equal to 4x cube minus 24 x square plus 44x minus 24. So we are going to find out the turning point. At the turning point, dy by dx is equal to 0. So to find the turning point of this particular function, what you have to do? You have to equate f dash of x is equal to 0. So f dash of x is equal to 0 at the turning point. So what do you mean? So 4x cubed minus 24x square plus 44x minus 24 is equal to 0. This is the process to find the turning points. So now the 4 is common in all the cases, so divide by 4. So it will be x cubed minus 6x square plus 11x minus 12. Sorry. 6 is equal to 0. So x cubed minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6 is equal to 0. This is the cubic equation. So you are going to solve this equation to find the value of x which you have studied in class 9. So how you are going to solve this one? By using remainder theorem. First you find out one of the factors. How you are going to find out the factor? So substitute or you take this as p of x. P of x is equal to x cubed minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. If you take x is equal to 1, that is p of 1 we are calculating that. So 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. Is it equal to 0? So according to the factor theorem, when the remainder is equal to 0, you will be getting the factor as x minus a, that is x minus 1. So from here what you are getting? X minus 1 is a factor. So now divide this polynomial by x minus 1. So I can explain two methods. One is by using long division method, or you can use synthetic division method, you can use that. So now if you take this one, x cubed minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. I will explain by using synthetic division method. For synthetic division method, you have to write down all the coefficients of the given polynomial. If any term is missing, you have to write down 0. So that's what I said. All the terms coefficient you have to write down. Here we just see what are the coefficients. X cubed the coefficient is 1. X square the coefficient is minus 6. X the coefficient is 11, constant term is minus 6. You put a line like this. What value you put that for getting 0? 1. So write down that one here. I am explaining synthetic division which you have learned in class 9. Now for the first number you put 0. Add both the numbers, write down here. Multiply this and this, write down here. Add the numbers. Again multiply. Minus 5. Add both the numbers. Multiply. The last number is the remainder. In the case of synthetic division, the last number is the remainder. Now what is left here? These are the coefficients of your quotient. The quotient, what are the terms of it? It is a cubic polynomial. When you divide by a linear polynomial, you will be having a quadratic polynomial as the quotient. So that means you have the constant term. This is the coefficient of x. This is the coefficient of x square. So what is the quotient here? The quotient is x square minus 5x plus 6. Now you factor this one by splitting the middle term. You will be getting 6. So 3, 2, minus 3, minus 2. Your factorization is x minus 3 into x minus 2. So what are the factors of the cubic equation? One is x minus 1. The other one is x minus 2. The other one is x minus 3 is equal to 0. So what are the values of x? So x is equal to 1, 2 and 3 are the values. So these are the turning points corresponding to the given function f of x. Is it clear? So now what we have to do? We have to find out the corresponding intervals. So for finding the corresponding intervals, I am drawing a number line. So this is the number line. Here it is minus infinity. Here it is plus infinity. We have got 3 turning points. So turning points are here it is 1, here it is 2, here it is 3. So the graph is from minus infinity to plus infinity. In between that we have got 3 turning points. That means in 3 places the direction of y changes. Are you clear? So now what are the intervals corresponding to them? So one is minus infinity to 1, it is an open interval. Since at the end point only you will be having the turning point. So now the next interval is 1, 2. The third interval is 2, 3. Then the last interval is 3, infinity. That is from minus infinity to 1, either it can be increasing or decreasing. Then the shape will be changed in the interval 1 to 2. In another interval it is 2 to 3. Another interval 3 to infinity. So this is what the way we are finding the turning point and the corresponding interval we found out. Now what is the next target? What is the next step? We have to find out the intervals in which the function is increasing or the function is decreasing. Are you following me? In which interval the function is increasing or in which interval the function is decreasing. As I said, the function is increasing when f dash of x is greater than 0. The function is increasing when f dash of x is greater than 0. When the function is decreasing, it is f dash of x is less than 0. So now you just see that since most of the students are finding it difficult in such type of questions, that's why I am taking this particular portion for 12th standard students to understand again. So now what I am going to do? Take f dash of x again. What is f dash of x? 4x cube minus 24x square plus 44x minus 24. So this 4 we have taken it out. So x cube minus 24 6x square plus 11x minus 6. This we could factorize just now. What is it? So 4 into x minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3. So now we are going to check whether this particular function is increasing or decreasing in the intervals which we found. What are the intervals we found out? Now I am going in the table form. So these are the intervals. One is minus infinity comma 1. The other one is 1 comma 2. The other one is 2 comma 3. The other one is 3 comma infinity. These are the intervals. In this interval, in which interval the function is increasing and which interval the function is decreasing. So how you are going to find out? So f dash of x. What is f dash of x? 1, 4 is one of the factors. then x minus 1 is another factor, x minus 2 is another factor, x minus 3 is another factor. Then if you multiply all these things, you begin with plus of x, then you can find out what is the nature. Okay, now it is the number line is here, minus infinity. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is infinity. So in this interval, you take one value, minus infinity to 1, you take any value. Can I take minus 5? Take any value. So substitute that value here. What will be your sign? Plus. Here it is x minus 1. This substitute is minus 5 here. What you are getting here? Minus 5 minus 1. Again the sign is minus. Minus 5 minus 2, the sign is minus. Minus 5 minus 3, the sign is minus. You multiply all these things, will you get your dash of x? So minus, minus, minus. So multiplication is what? You are having minus. So that means the sign of f dash of x is negative. What does it mean? The function is decreasing. So the function is decreasing in the interval minus infinity to 1. What is the next one? You take the second interval 1 to 2. Can I take 1.5? Substitute that value. So this is plus only. 1.5 minus 1. That is plus. 1.5 minus 2 minus. 1.5 minus 3 minus. You multiply all these four signs. Minus into minus is plus. That means the function is increasing in this interval. It is decreasing. Similarly, the other two intervals 1, 2 and the 3, infinity, the function is increasing now. So this is what the question is. When the function is given, in which are the intervals the function is increasing and which are the intervals it is decreasing now. This is what in this class, in class 12, under the concept called the increasing and decreasing function we study that. It is one of the important concepts for the CBSE board examinations. I hope the plus 2 students will be able to use this concept when you are preparing for the board examination. Right children, now this is plus 2 portion. I hope it will be useful for you when you are preparing for the board examination. I will meet you very soon in the next video. So please utilize the videos which I am posting in the channel. Thank you.